Look at all these cars piled up everywhere.
Which way, Paul?
How many are there?
I don't know, there's a bunch.
Look at their lights still on in that one. My goodness, there's a bunch over here.
Yeah.
Look at the way it's even blocking the sun, Missy.
I know.
Welcome to Blackwell.
I wanna go home.
I know.
I don't think we'll play ball today, Andy.
Man, you can smell it.
This is the longest I've ever seen one. Usually they're short. You feel that hitting? Troy?
Mm-hmm. Hear
What
it?
is that? That's grass.
Yeah, that's that wheat.
I just hope nobody got hurt bad. I hope something that they can heal up. You know what I'm saying? We just say a prayer when we get there, okay? Andy?